Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. This time I'm gonna talk about how to increase volume on the iPhone but without touching the side button. You can see. Whatever the region, I want to see how to adjust the volume to low or high without using the physical side button. Alright guys, so this is the first thing you have to do. Just swipe down from the right corner to and you can see here the volume. You can see the option here to adjust the volume low to high, high to low by using the finger. So without using the side physical button, I can able to increase the volume. So this way guys, you can also adjust, you can also increase volume on the iPhone but without touching the side buttons. So guys, thanks for today. If you like my video, please like, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.